Lady Eboshi, the powerful leader of Iron Town, is willing to destroy the forest for the prosperity of her people. Opposing her is San, a girl raised by wolves, known as Princess Mononoke. She fiercely protects her home and the spirits of the forest from destruction. Ashitaka stands between two worlds, the humans and the gods of nature. He sees both good and evil on each side and strives to find a path to peace. But can the warring factions hear his plea? The fate of all living things hangs in the balance. A clash of power and spirit, greed and compassion will determine the future of their world. Princess Mononoke, an epic tale of love, courage, and the fight for harmony